So the different features of this software is we have got an option for payment of taxes, wherein we can pay the house tax, we can pay the lease rent, and trade and signboard fees. They can go through the grievance, register a complaint, and in this we have got various categories. If it is related to house tax, then we can select that house tax and then lodge the complaint. We get a complaint reference number, which can be viewed at the dashboard software which is available at all municipal councils.
Sensitize them on that. They should respond. Maximum public grievances are blocked in DMA. I don't know whether you are aware. The 34 critical, out of the 22 are various municipalities. It's not DMA actually, it's municipality. एक तो उसमें टाइम जाता है डीएमए के पास पहुंच गया कि बाद में उनके पास भेजो.
So but for construction license, rest all the services are covered under this.
So if you look at this, there are various.
So it is not online response. It is online application in this case, and the concerned officer will check up the document.
Yes.
And
He'll
after scrutinizing, he will
make the
approve the correction, or
he'll approve the corrections, and the corrections will be made, and then the applicant.
Or he will give message to the applicant saying that the documents are not adequate.
Yes.
But in 7 days time, sir, we are supposed to respond.
There is a dashboard for the DMA as well as for the chief officers, wherein they can see.
No, because there is a Public Service Guarantee Act which I have asked them to notify with effect from 1/4. These are all required for that actually.
There is I can apply online for a trade license. The trade license application as well as for transfer of house tax. We have income certificates which are issued by the municipal council, and NOC for water and power. Portal. This is the first portal of its kind in India, I can say, wherein we have got a common portal for all the councils. Otherwise, it's all spread out in different URLs. So here, this is a place wherein all of them can come to this particular site, and then from here they can go to each individual municipal councils or.
If you are working, then get solid waste management in loop.
Okay.
Because they are coordinating. So the whatever portal or whatever link you have should be also linked to that. So tomorrow if someone takes a photograph of the garbage, then the app should directly load it here and with position, and also should go to GS Goa Solid Waste Management Corporation. Garbage is one of the services which municipalities can be more efficient by giving data on the portal.